What is going on, YouTube people? So today we are going to be washing the beast, the F250. It is filthy. So we will be heading over to Nick's house. He is a professional detailer. That's what that's his passion, is detailing cars. So he said he will do some TLC to the interior of this truck. Maybe I can get him to wash the exterior too if I'm lucky. So we're heading there right now, about a 30-minute drive. Get there, wash this truck, maybe get into something else, I don't know, but I will see you there. This truck, it's pretty fast for being as heavy as it is. I mean, 80 miles an hour. Here, I'll get on it. Trying to make a pit stop and get my sweet tea, but looks like their fucking drive-thru is closed. Yep, I ran over your cone. Sorry, bro. I want to go up to the window and see if they'll serve me. That'd be awesome. Let's find out. Had to go in and work for this one. I guess the drive-thru is closed, but off to get this filthy truck clean. I mean, it's not bad on the outside, but we're locked, hold on. It's not bad on the outside, but the inside is just disgusting. So Nick's gonna do some TLC to the seats and that, and whatever that shit is. So yeah. Oh, no, that did not just happen. Oh my God. Gotta have this towel. I swear to God, I'm so clumsy. I'm the clumsiest person I've ever known. Update, their sweet tea is horrible. I'm gonna walk inside, get a sweet tea I don't like, and then spill it all over my truck. Look, he's waiting for me. I think just the antenna will hit. I don't know. Yeah, that. You want to try? Let's see if this thing will fit.
I don't think we're gonna get it. I don't think it's gonna fit. Holy shit! No. No? I don't think so. But hey, we're in the shade. Wait, I'm gonna use my hand to drive it. Holy.
Ah! It's fitting. Ah! Ah! It's fitting. No? It hit the crotch. Oh God. Ah!
It's rubber.
Dude, but if it fits, we're not gonna boil.
I don't think we're gonna boil. We're in the shade right now.
Alright, I'll leave it here. How do you even get dirt and mud in there? I don't understand. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's all inside the dash.
Is it really?
Yeah, at least now we can get to the screen properly. Jeez.
You guys ready for this? Oh my gosh.
It's all through the AC system.
Was this truck underwater, you think? Like in mud?
No, I think they were driving in like a desert kind of area.
Probably.
Windows down, AC on, pulling all this shit
Like,
through the...
That is just filthy. I mean, we're gonna clean this up, but I can only imagine what like all of that looks like underneath. What the hell?
I need to vacuum a gauge cluster.
Well, that looks a lot better than it did, but oh my god, I can't believe how dirty this thing was.
So, got the gauge cluster off. I don't know if you can see all that.
Yeah, you can see it. No,
You know, it's just one of those things you get in your car, the sun's shining, and you see this, and you know, since we have the whole thing apart, well, we don't want to see this anymore. I got the gauge clusters inside. We literally had to blow it out with like 150 psi of air to get all that dust out. Now, essentially, I'm just going to polish out all these scratches so that way when the gauge cluster goes back in the car, it literally looks brand new.
So what compounds are you using?
This is just Jescar correcting compound, so 1500 grit and below, and a Rupus Nano. Nice.
Squirter.
Squirter. She's a squirter. A little bit too much because that thing, I'll just work it in and then I'll turn the machine on and let it do its thing. Probably polish the back as well, we don't know.
All that soot and dirt was back there.
Yeah, not good. Give it a speed of 4. There you go.
Paint correcting a gauge cluster. Remember that headlight that we had to do that one time on my Mustang?
Oh yeah, and I don't even have this type of stuff.
Oh my god, that was a nightmare. I had tint on my Mustang and there was adhesive left on it after on the headlight. So my great idea was to take a plastic razor blade and goof off and try to scrape it off. And I ended up scraping plastic just like that. It's all about the little touches when it comes to detailing, right?
Correct.
I mean, the first thing you look at when you get into your car is the gauge cluster, and if that looks bad, then you're just going to have a bad feel for the whole car.
Mm-hmm.
What did you just do? Change the temperature of the light?
So yeah, so this is a scan grip. I don't remember the exact model number, but it's a specific light for paint correction. It literally lets you see everything in your car. So if you want to have a bad day, you shine this on your car and you will see.
You'll see everything. Things
you do not want to see.
I mean, that's already looking way better, and you're not even done.
Mm-hmm. See how she looks.
Dude, it looks like there's nothing even there on this video.
Yeah, I'm nitpicking it right now.
This is a finished product. It looks brand new. Like, no swirls, no nothing in it.
Yeah, it's like 99%.
Wow. I mean, I feel like that looks better than you would get it brand new, don't you
think?
think?
Because the minute, you know, those guys at the dealership wipe it with whatever they're wiping it with, you know, they automatically introduce scratches. This plastic's just very soft, very prone to scratching.
So run the gauge cluster back in.
Come
It
on.
looks brand new, dude.
Not to be whole.
Nick's putting all the interior back together, well, the dash. Fortunately, it's starting to drizzle a little bit, and we're kind of running out of daylight, so might have to postpone washing the truck on the outside. But man, this interior just looks 10 times different already. I mean, the seats, the dash, especially
Might
the
as well
gauge
treat
cluster.
this now that we have it. Ooh.
Yeah, might as well, now that it's open. So he's treating that with Adams Polishers VHT. That was what we treated everything else with. I mean, it just looks brand new almost. So I'll check back in here in a minute once we get everything back together. It literally looks brand new.
Crystal clear.
Thanks, Nick. Awesome. This thing is clean now. I just gotta touch this up right here, but sorry about the lighting. It's dark now. I'll probably show you guys tomorrow in the morning how the final touch came out.
Yeah, rat got the best of us.
Yeah, the rat. We found a dead rat and had to clean it, so. Yep. There she is. That car looks really familiar. Stenhouse. Hey, that's the car that Johnny sat in at him.
You gotta take the steering wheel out, bro.
So take it off.
No, I can't.
And it's in first place right now. That's awesome. Johnny definitely gave good luck to that car, bro. I'm telling you. Look, he's in first place. Oh, you want to be in my vlog? No? Why not? That's my Hooters server, Frankie. But no, look, first place. Definitely gave him good luck. Hey, salute to the best. Look, I found you a little snack, Nick. A little snack. All these old dudes think they're fast, too.
That was the biggest disappointment ever.
Oh, yeah. And then the Grand Sport's a disappointment, too. I mean, I would rather have a C6
And
Grand
before you
Sport.
say it, I was the idiot.
That bought one. He had a
Straight
Grand
off
Sport.
the truck. $78,000. Worst $78,000 I ever spent.
Yep.
I'm sitting in my brand new
But
Corvette.
Nick actually had one of the first 17 ZL1s that I've ever seen. Huh?
It was
It was the first one. At least in Florida, it was the first one.
wax removal towels, all-purpose towels, glass towels.
You have towels for days. Just like what?
Towels.
That was Nick's old car, the GTR. I actually took that picture like a mile up the road. Yeah, you got a lot of towels, buddy.